Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Trendseeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Whoa! Okay, that is a really interesting way to do like a ceiling light. Looks like they did a gold for that. Wow, that is really cool. Definitely an option for sure. And then the next project looks like it's gonna involve some like photos. I like her nail color, that little like peach color, so pretty. By the way, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these DIY project ideas, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my reactions. She's doing kind of like some marble pieces here and then adding in, oh, is this like one of those like fortune teller things? That's what it reminded me of. Oh, it's like a little flip book kind of. Oh, that's cute. What a cute idea. It is kind of like a fortune teller thing though. Okay, so here we have someone making a table. I love watching these. So it looks like she just has some plastic bowls that she's going to be using. Thickening up the bowls, making it more sturdy. Wow. Oh, that is unreal. Very cool. You would never know. You would never know. So here's like a simple plant hack here with these planters. So she basically just glued two together and then added in some old plastic bags for some height. This is actually a really good hack though. And then you can do like moss or something to cover that up. Yep, that's what she's doing. Very nice. And this looks so much more high end too. So next up we have a DIY that features some clay. Oh, candle holders. It's kind of like an interesting mustard yellow color she used for this. Oh, it looks better when it's dry. Very cute. I love the different shapes she did. Oh, someone making a foam bowl? What the what? Oh. Okay, that was just all part of the process. They're doing like a uniquely shaped bowl though. This is really interesting. Oh, it's a light fixture. Wow. Okay, that I would be scared to hang that. It looks really heavy. I don't know about that one. Oh, that's pretty. So we have another lampshade DIY here. She's basically wrapping paper around this. Shout out to the mamas with the toddler, because that is exactly what my son would be doing too. You're sitting there trying to work and they're just like reaching and grabbing everything. This is really pretty. I like the color she does for this as well. It's like a really pretty like mauve shade. Oh, you know what? I thought she was gonna wrap this around the original lampshade, but this is really nice. I can't believe this is just like simple paper. That's crazy. I wonder how long it would like hold up too, because you know, with like humidity and stuff, would it start to like warp? Very interesting. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.